Hello, this is Angie from VRAcademi, and today I'm going to walk you through the Scratch editor. So, in this place, on the bottom over here, this is your Sprite pane, where you can see all the sprites that you're going to use in your Scratch. Sprites are these things that you add over in your project, and you can code them in order to make a video, an animation, a game, or whatever you like. So you add the sprites. The sprites are shown in this part, which is called the stage, and on the stage you can also add background in order to position your sprites either in an outdoor or in an indoor environment. So you can code the stage from here, from this part, and then here in this part, it is the place where you put your commands. Commands are the blocks that you put and tell your sprite what exactly you want it to do. Here is your toolbox where you can use commands that are inside blocks in order to tell your sprite to do something. Commands are divided into groups, and each group does certain things. So we have the most command group, which are blocks with blue color and are used in order to make our sprites move. We have blocks for the looks, and so on and so forth. In order to use a command, you drag it inside this box, and then in order to execute this command, you have different options. Either you double click on this command in order to execute it, or you can go to the events panel and choose an event. Events are the blocks of commands with which you can start your program. So now that we have coded our sprite, it's time to run the code to see what's happening. In order to run the code, you can click on this green flag which says go, and the program is executed. And if the program is too large and it takes a lot of time to be executed, you can even stop it by clicking on this red circle. Then you can use these buttons over here so as to make your screen bigger, like this, and you can click on the same button to bring it back to its original size. And then with this button you make your screen smaller and your workspace bigger. So if you liked this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.